Hello, my name is Marsha. I just want to make a testimonial, actually, to put some hope out there for those of you who feel like there's no place to turn. I underwent several months actually of great discomfort that started in my neck and into my shoulders and involved my hips and knees. And I was undergoing therapy, and although it did help with my range of motion, it never got rid of the pain until I started coming here to Synergy. And at the first treatment, I walked out of here without having pain in my knees, and it was just such a relief. And this is now a few weeks into consistent treatment. I'm walking better, I have much more range of motion, and I'm getting my strength back too, which is a big thing for me, and because I'm very active, and it feels good that I'm on the right track. So I just want you to know there is another way to do this, because here they look at you as the whole person, not just a shoulder or a knee or a hip. They look at what's going on all through your whole body and your mind to help you to get on the path to wellness again. So you can do this without pain medication, you can do this without getting shots, and without doing surgery, which is a big relief. So I just recommend Synergy Therapeutic Group.